so my name is Sinesipho and I am the Events and Brand Coordinator. I basically coordinate all the behind the scenes before an event takes place. So I source out suppliers, I speak to vendors, I make sure everything is done in order to make sure that we have a successful event, like the road shows, for instance. I joined Aerobotics in September last year, so that's about like the same time as right now. I was called in to help out with the future farming event that was happening back then, and from there it led on to an internship, and an internship is where it led me to where I'm at right now. Well, it depends really. Sometimes it's one of those hectic days where you just enter and it's like a volcano just like erupted inside the company, and we have like so much to do, so much to prep like for upcoming events, and sometimes it's just like mellow and it's one of those things where it's like admin time, darling. If I could be an expert at something, I really think I would be somewhere in fashion. I really love the whole idea of being able to express yourself by just wearing one item of clothing or whatever. I just love that whole industry. It's very, I'd say, up my alley. Happiness. I feel like if you're not happy, then why are you even living? Avocado, because I can put it in a salad, I can put it on my face, I can put it on my hair. It's the fruit of life. If that would be the only fruit left in the world,